Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through the basics of customizing the Shopify Dawn theme. First, open your Shopify admin panel, go to online store, themes, and let's add the Dawn theme first. Go to Shopify theme library and click on add button. This will install the Dawn theme. The theme is installed. First of all, let's publish the theme. Click on publish button. Again click on publish button. Our Dawn theme is published. Now let's preview the Dawn theme. Click on this preview button and we will see a live preview of our Dawn theme. Now let's go back and let's customize. Click on the customize button and this will open the customization panel for a Shopify Dawn theme. You will see all the customization option. First of all, we will customize this header. Let's change this header logo. Go to theme settings. You will see a logo option. Click on the select and choose any logo you want. Click done and you will see the live changes of logo. Now let's change this menu. Go to the home page. Click on the header section. Again click on there. You will see the menu changing option. Click on replace button and change to the any menu you like. This way you can edit this home page header. And now if you want to change this country selector, again click on the header, go down below, and if you uncheck this country selector will be gone. This way you can edit this whole header. Now let's click on the save, so the customization are saved. Now let's edit this home page section. You will see these template sections. Click on there and you will see all the customization for this section. This is a image banner. Now if you want to edit a specific text, click on the text and let's change the text to shirt. Now if you want to edit this button, click on this button and let's change this text to explore. And you can see the live changes we make. Now let's go down below, and now if you want to add a section, you will see an option add section. Click on this add section. Let's add rich text and you will see a new section is added. Now if you want to edit this section, there is a customization for this section. And now if you want to edit text heading or subheading, you can choose from there, or you can click on the right side and edit this text. Now if you want to edit this subheading, click on the subheading and you will see this customization for this subheading. And then if you want to delete this, you will see a delete option. Click on it and the section is deleted. This way you can customize this home page. Now let's go to the footer. If you want to edit this footer, you will see a footer customization option. Click on it and you will see that subscribe to our email text. Now if you want to edit this text, just change this to news or anything you like, or you can edit those options too. For that, you can see I unchecked it and it's gone. This way you can uncheck this option too, and you can add or remove more section in this footer. For that you will see add section, and let's add this email sign up option. You can see it's added. Now we can also customize it the same way we customize these sections in the home page. Click on it and you will see the options, or you can go back and see the other options too. You can make changes in here too. And now if you want to delete this, click on this delete option and it's also deleted. Let's save it. And this way we can customize our Shopify Dawn theme. That was all. There you have it, the basics of customizing Shopify Dawn theme. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video. If you need any help for Shopify customization or development, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.